Hello everyone, I'm going to go through the tutorial for the Lesson 2 Preparing Data using SAS Data Studio. So for right now, we're going to move in the upper left corner and click the three lines. And then we're going to explore and visualize. Move down to all reports. And as we can see, we have VA1 Demo 2.1. So now we're going to, since we have the demo opened, we're going to verify that we are editing the report. And as we can see right here, we are. And we're going to check the general settings for SAS Visual Effects. So as we can see right here, we're going to go to Username, Settings, go to SAS Visual Analytics, General, and we're going to go down to Default Titles for New Objects. And as we click on the question mark, we can see the automatic title option might not apply to some objects, such as the key value. So as we can see, we're just going to close the settings and we're going to view the data for the report. So in the left pane, we're going to click Data and we're going to view the list of data items in the category group. So as we can see right here, and we're going to scroll down in the data pane to view the list of data items in the measure group. Now we're going to use a list table to view the imported table. In the left pane, we're going to click Objects, and we're going to drag over List Table. And in the right pane, we're going to click Roles. As we can see, it was already open. And we're going, for the columns row, we're going to click Add. For add, we are going to add all of the names besides frequency and frequency percent. So we're going to click OK. As we can see, while this loads, this is what the table should resemble. And after it pops up, we're going to scroll through the columns to view the data. So as we can see, we can view the table set. And if we need to, we're able to maximize the view. So in the upper left corner, next to page 1, we're going to create a new table, or new page, I'm sorry. And in the cross tab to view distinct values for order type. So in the left pane, we're going to click Objects again. As we can see, the Objects tab is already open. And we're going to bring over cross tab. And as we can see, we already have the Roles tab open. And in the Rows role, we're going to select Add an Order Type. As we can see, it has 3 categories. So we're going to now use the automatic chart to view quantity ordered by customer. So in the left pane, we're going to click Data. And we're going to select the following data items in the measure group. It is going to be customer ID and quantity ordered. And so for this, we're going to drag the selected items to the right of the crosstab. Customer ID and quantity ordered. So right here, we're going to view descriptive information for the measure data items. In the left pane, we're going to click data, which as we can see, we already have it pulled up. And we're going to click the data source menu. So from here, we're going to, with cost selected, view more information area. View measure details. And as we can see with cost selected, we're going to view more information area. As we can see the minimum, maximum, average, and sum of the costs. So right here in the more information, the standard deviation, standard area, variance, distinct count, number of missing, and other data sets. And as we can see, we can view the graph to the right to view the cost and what it looks like as an illustration. And we're going to close the measure details window.